are going to talk about computer hardware.
But first, what is computer hardware?
Computer hardware includes the physical parts of a computer such as the case, central processing unit, random access memory, monitor, mouse, keyboard, computer data, graphics card, sound card, speaker, and motherboard. First part of a computer hardware. First, we have the motherboard. What is motherboard? A motherboard is the main printed circuit board in a computer. The motherboard is a computer central communications backbone connectivity point, through which all components and external peripherals connect.
Second part of a computer hardware. Monitor. A computer monitor is an output device that displays information of pictorial or textual form. A discrete monitor comprises a visual display, support, electronics, power supply, housing, electrical connectors, and external user controls.
Third part of a computer hardware. Computer keyboard. A computer keyboard is an input device used to enter characters and functions into the computer system by pressing buttons. Next, we have the computer mouse. A mouse is a small device that a computer user pushes across a desk surface in order to point to a place on a display screen and to select one or more actions to take from that position.
Next, a printer. A printer is a peripheral machine which makes a persistent representation or graphic or text, usually on a paper. While most output in human-readable barcode printers are an example and expand use for printer.
Next, we have the computer case. A computer case is also known as computer chassis. It's the enclosure that contains most of the hardware of a personal computer.
Next, we have a RAM. Random access memory is a form of electronic computer memory that can be read and changed in any order, typically used to store working data on machine code.
Next, we have the hard drive disk. Hard drive disk, or HDD, is an external or internal computer component that stores data such as operating system, applications, and user files.
Next, we have a power supply unit. A power supply unit converts main AC to low voltage regulated DC power for the internal components of a computer. Modern personal computers universally use switch mode power supplies.
Next, we have the CPU. It is also referred to as the central or the main processor, or is a complex set of electronic circuitry that runs the machine's operating system and apps. Next, we have the GPU. GPU, or the graphics processing unit, is an electronic circuit used to speed up the creation of both 2D and 3D images.